back to my channel. Today we are doing a DIY, which is going to be a little vanity mirror for all you ladies, or I mean boys if you want it. I don't know if you're going to put the effort and do the work, but I think more girls are going to do this than guys. So if you want to learn how to get the vanity mirror, which is really good for selfies, or you just want to do your makeup in it, or you just want to stare at yourself in the mirror and just admire your hotness, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for this tutorial, what you're going to need is WINDEX. You do need a mirror. You also need some paper towels to clean your mirror with. And the only other thing that you also need is the CHENDE light bulbs. I have heard the best things about these ones. I've never tried it myself. I'm just unboxing with you guys. So this will be my first time seeing how they turn out, but this is the brand that I saw the most positive reviews about. In the box comes a little instruction booklet, which we are not going to read because I don't know, I'd rather figure it out myself. It's just the way I roll. They look like this. I think there's 10 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to detach these little, what do you call it? Oh shit. Light bulbs on this particular mirror, I'm going to do 3 and 3, 2 and 2, which is going to be 10 light bulbs. So what you're going to need to do is grab this little sticker from underneath, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick the next one where it's supposed to be. Stick it to the corner. And then later on, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the little strings on the side. You could make it easier on yourself and just measure the height and the width and just kind of divide 10 between the space that you have and see what the measurements are, and then you can just mark it so it just becomes a little bit easier. I'm just doing it as I go, but if you do want to make it easier for yourself, that's the better way. And I'm just going to check to see what else there is in the box. It seems like there is extra tabs in case you do take them off and you put them back on a few times and they lose that stickiness to them. There's extra pads here where you could reuse them. And also, let's see what this is. Oh, okay, it's the controller. So as we could see, there is a little cord on the bottom here. So I'm just gonna plug that into the wall. And then I'm gonna attach it to the little cord. And it's the moment of truth. I hope it actually turns out good. Oh my god, I love it. This is fun. So now let me just tell you guys how to hide these ugly little ties, and then we could be done with this tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to grab some tape. I didn't have any regular tape, so I had to use some hospital tape, or medical tape if that's what it's called. Because I don't know, I can't find any, so just use tape. Use a proper tape if you have it, but if you don't, any tape will work too. It will probably look really ugly from the back, but we'll deal with that later. So what you're going to do is take the cord and just slide it to the back of the mirror and tape it down. So now you see at least the cord is kind of tucked back versus like hanging loose like this. More tape. Where's my tape? Okay, found it. And then again, just pushing it back and taping. guys enjoyed this type of a video, please do let me know either in the comments below or message me different ideas that you have. I'm always creating something new for myself, and it was honestly by accident that I was like, hey, why don't I just film one for you guys? So if you are interested, please do let me know so I can create more project-based videos. All products that are used in this video will be listed down below, and I will link where I got the lights from.